Hi, Sarah here with a quick haul video. This is my PR kit from Fab Planner Print, and I'll leave links below for all the products that I got today. And there is a sale coming up. Fab Planner Print are taking part in the Ultimate Planner sale. I'll leave details for that as well. And there'll be lots and lots of really good offers, like 25% off. So I will make sure to link everything you need to know. And there will be new releases for the sale as well, and I'll leave some images of some sneak peeks of them at the end as well. So without further ado, this is what I got in my PR kit this month. First off, I have the Summer Girl Ephemera. So there is the paper it comes with. You could trim that out and laminate it and use that as well. So I have some cute leaves, some flowers, more flowers, a watering can there as well, rose, whoopsie, more flowers, another rose. I love this bird, it's just so cute. There's a little birdie there, another bird, a leaf, some leaves, another cutie there, another watering can, the girl, a pretty wreath, another bird and another little flower bud, I think. So that's what you get in the ephemera pack. I also have the matching sticker sheet here with all the cute little birdies on again, and all the flowers and watering cans, and the little girl as well. From the Mermaid collection, there is a new release one as well. This is the other one. This has got lots of seahorses on, the days of the week, some really pretty deco stickers there, the mermaid and shells. It's so pretty, the colours are amazing on this, I love it. And some deco boxes there, the washi, mini washi strips, more header pieces there, and I think you can use them for date covers, the shells. Oh, there's a cute little turtle as well, right at the top. So I love them, they're so summery. I'm really looking forward to using those as well. Next up, from the Boho Girl kit, I have these. So again, we have the days of the week, the weekend sticker, lots of pretty deco, beautiful header pieces there, and then more deco and some boxes as well. I think these are all full boxes, and a pretty quote one there as well. And finally I have these, which is the pink Planner Girl kit. So there's lots of washi style headers, some habit trackers here, some lists, and some boxes which have the pale bit to add writing on top. Some deco boxes here, some functional stickers here, days of the week, weekend, and some thinner boxes here. Oops. Oh, I love these, they're so cute. Little bow planner clip check boxes that are ombre, as well as some more checklist ones down the side there, and some extra tabs at the bottom. And finally, this one has lots of functional icons, deco stickers, a few extra boxes down the side, and to do and to clean this at the bottom. So there's a ton on that. So I reckon I can probably get a couple of weeks out of this one. So that is my PR kit for the next coming up month from Fab Planner Print. So thanks so much, Tony. I love it all. And please go check out the shop. If you order during the Ultimate Planner sale, you get 25% off. The rest of the time you can use my code, which is 10Sarah, which will get you 10% off. And there is also a loyalty scheme, so you can collect stickers and get money off as well. So thanks for joining me. Check out details below and like and subscribe if you'd like to see more from me. Have a great day, everyone. Bye!